Ever looked up at the stars and wondered why they twinkle, or how something so vast can exist? Or perhaps down at your phone and marveled at its incredible complexity? That innate human drive to question, observe, and understand the universe around us is precisely what Totally Science is all about. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of science, not just as a subject, but as a fundamental way of thinking that shapes everything around us. We'll explore its core principles, its pervasive impact, and why it's truly a pursuit without limits. At its heart, Totally Science is a systematic approach to understanding the universe: observation, hypothesis, rigorous experimentation, analysis, and conclusion. This powerful method isn't just for labs, it's the foundation for life-saving vaccines and towering skyscrapers. It also famously proved the Earth orbits the Sun, overturning centuries of belief. It's a self-correcting engine of knowledge, constantly refining our understanding based solely on evidence. But science isn't just abstract theories, it's profoundly woven into the fabric of our daily existence, often without us even realizing it. From the precise GPS in your car, enabled by Einstein's theory of relativity, to the complex algorithms powering your social media, or the chemistry that makes your coffee taste so good. Even cooking is essentially applied chemistry and physics. Science is the invisible yet fundamental architecture of our modern world. What truly makes science Totally Science is its relentless push beyond known boundaries, seeking answers to the universe's biggest mysteries. Consider the ongoing quest for dark matter, the revolutionary advancements in CRISPR gene editing technology, or the thrilling search for exoplanets that might host life. Did you know the fastest spinning man-made object is a tiny sphere spinning at an astonishing 300 billion RPMs, used to study quantum mechanics? Science isn't just about what we know, it's about the immense, thrilling unknown waiting to be unveiled. So, Totally Science is far more than just a school subject, it's a powerful methodology, an omnipresent force in our lives, and the endless frontier of human discovery. It's humanity's greatest tool for systematically understanding and shaping the complex reality we inhabit. If this deep dive into the awesome world of science resonated with you, please hit that like button, share your favorite scientific fact in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing insights.